Hi, today I'm going to show you how to actually uh, increase the volume of a video. If your volume of the video is very soft, you couldn't hear, right? You can actually use this software called Capcut. Now in this software, uh, this software is actually for free. You can actually download and install it. So in this software, you click on this import button, which I already did. I have actually imported a video here. And then once you got this video, you just drag this video down here, this video. And then when you drag it over here, you go to the audio tab at the top right hand corner. Okay, audio tab here. So audio section. Okay, you saw this volume? You can actually increase the volume up to 20 dB, the volume. Okay, now I'm going to back to normal at 0 dB, which is the normal of the video. Let me play the video to let you hear the sound of the original video. It's very soft. Okay, now I'm going to actually increase the volume of this video. So I'm going to drag this volume all the way to 20 dB and hear the sound. Okay, you can see the difference is a lot better now. You can hear clearly the sound of the video. Okay, I hope you find this very helpful, useful. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments, please put in the comments description below. Any videos you'd like me to make, kindly let me know. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.